Have you heard of the famous Friday gold rush strategy? Today, we're putting it to the test with a back test to see if the rumors are true. Does gold really tend to rise on Fridays? For this back test, the strategy is simple. We buy at Thursday's close and sell at Friday's close. Our data set goes all the way back to 1987, covering over 2,000 trades. Let's take a look at the results. We're seeing a pretty solid equity curve, and the detailed stats are also promising, with a strong profit factor and a manageable maximum drawdown. Now let's compare it to a buy and hold approach. As you can see, it doesn't outperform buy and hold overall. And keep in mind, we haven't even included trading costs like the spread. Still, the strategy shows a much smoother curve and a more controlled drawdown. What do you think about this strategy? Would you consider trading it?